and with the 4 missing and 144 injured. The state government is implementing measures including rescue operations, relief camps and food distribution. I urge the central government to establish a committee to assess the damage and provide the special relief package for affected farmers, including financial aid for livestock losses, crop damages, compensation for families who lost loved ones, and infrastructure improvements to prevent future flooding. It has been observed that in many big cities there is a huge illegal infrastructural construction activity which is affecting nature. It gives us pain when the honest taxpayer living in the authorized legal society gets affected with the flood, and when his assets get damaged, no government agency takes responsibility of this. I urge the central government to inspect the infrastructural faults, encroachments and illegal constructions which affect river and other aspects.
Leader of the House. Okay, Mr. Kinruji. Go to your seat, go to. Before that, honorable members. One second. Take your seat, all of you take your seat. Honorable members, an issue which is a disaster and has taken painfully many lives. An issue with which since morning, no, right now, all you want to say, express concern. If you wish to do anything else, one second, take your seat, take your seat. One second. John Bittas, 1 second, I am coming to a resolution. Honorable members, the leader of the opposition has conversely demand on one aspect, that one of their members who is drawn from Kerala should be why don't you allow me to speak? Why don't you allow me to speak? You are not listening to me. No, I say, why don't you allow me to speak? One, let me tell you one thing. Will you take a seat? It will satisfy you. Now, 1 second. 1 second. No, please, can you take your seat? No, you are experienced. You have been deputy speaker for long. No, nothing will go on record. What is this? Honorable members? No, please. Please take your seat. Nothing will go on record. No, it will not go on record. No, nothing will go on record. I don't expect this kind of disruption from a senior member like you. I don't expect. Please take your seat. Honorable members, leader of the opposition has made only one demand, that their member should be allowed to speak. Before the member came to me, 4 other members had come to me. John Bittas had come to my chamber. Santosh Kumar P had come to my chamber. You had also invited my attention. All I am saying is, at the moment, yes, you also had come. At the moment, all that can be done is, we can express our solidarity. Okay. John, but I'll call the members. I'll call the members to be very brief and one by one, and I will give precedence to those who came first in point of time to me. John Bittas.
Thank you very much.
1 minute.
Sir, thank you very much, sir, for your kind indulgence. This is a serious matter, a bipartisan matter. A heavy tragedy has struck Kerala. The death toll has gone up, and we are fearing more deaths, sir. 4 villages have been cut off, and there have been coordinated efforts the Chief Minister is camping in Wayanad. As you know, Wayanad is a picturesque place, but mountain plateau. So we really want the indulgence of the government of India, especially the help of the ministries like Defense, Home and Finance. Already there are amounts pending in disaster fund.
Thank you.
So we want the military to send their dispatches to Kerala,
Please.
the finance to lend their hand to Kerala,
Please.
and all
You made your
possible
point. Thank you.
assistance to
Thank
Kerala
you.
be provided.
Thank you,
sir.
Santosh Kumar P.
There are already 50 deaths are confirmed. It is likely to rise up to 300 or 400.
Unfortunate.
So it's so unfortunate.
Painful.
I don't want to talk much on this issue. I would like to request through you, sir, to declare this as a national disaster, number one.
Please.
Number two, to include Kerala in the list of, there is a new scheme announced by the Honorable Finance Minister. Bihar, Assam, Himachal and Uttarakhand are part of that. So I would like to request the government to include Kerala in it.
On this incident, please.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir. The only request is to include Kerala.
Please,
This
I got your point.
ecologically fragile place.
Please.
See, Kerala is your land also, sir.
Okay, please.
It's the land of everyone.
Yes, you have made your point. You have
So
made your good point.
compensation to those who have died.
Okay.
These are the
Yes.
three demands.
Go.
Please understand.
Please. Briefly.
Prime Minister of India and everybody, this early morning, they consult our Chief
Yes.
Minister and everything we accept and we have got respect. But now the issue is no money with the Kerala government. At least immediately you have to release some money to move all this one. So
But please,
Yeah,
one
so-
by one. No.
We also-
I will give you opportunity. Take your seat.
Sir,
Take your seat.
I am from Wayanad constituency and I am leaving now, irrespective of my question hour and all. Now I am leaving for Wayanad. So we are meeting the people. We have to say something
Yes.
from
Josh Kemani.
Minister.
Gravity of the situation. The bodies of more than 25 bodies are found 40 kilometers downstream and a different district in Calicut. So you should understand the gravity of the situation. 500 families are stranded over there and more deaths are reporting every minute. And it is not, can you have 2 minutes to express our grievance? And the government is not ready to listen. We have the first-hand information than people sitting on the treasury bench. And
Please,
you
take your seat
should
now. You have made your point.
don't put any political
You have made your
colors
point.
to this.
Please,
And
thank-
please give all
thank you.
assistance
Thank you.
by the Sunday
Thank you,
to
thank you,
Kerala.
thank you. JB, then after. JB Matherisam.
So the Wayanad tragedy, the landslide, that the devastation cannot be measured at this moment now. It is so vast, it is so devastating that 43 deaths, that's from babies, little babies to the elderlies have passed away, and even families have swept. Families, it's not just one from family, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have news of that. We have
something.
first-hand
Say
information.
something.
So our request is the government should immediately declare this as a national disaster, provide 5,000 crore package immediately. Sir, 1 second,
Yes.
sir. Sir, let me. A bridge has collapsed. A bridge has collapsed. That bridge has to be made now temporary
Please,
bridge to be
take your seat
consulted.
now.
NDRF
Have I
and-
made a mistake in giving you floor?
and helicopter
Take your seat now.
immediately, sir.
Nothing will go on record now, please. Just 2 minutes.
Sir, this is a very painful day for every Keralian, sir. Very painful. See, please consider us. We are praying for the assistance from the union government. Sir, we are
What are
praying.
you saying?
Sir, we are praying. Sir,
Don't make
sir,
a speech.
Sir, just a minute, sir.
Don't make a speech.
Sir, just a minute, sir. Sir,
You are not aware.
sir, just a minute, sir.
Before sunrise, people were in action.
Sir, just a minute, sir.
Before sunrise,
sir, the first
Chief
thing,
Minister, Prime
sir,
Minister have been in action.
Sir, rescue
Don't
is
do
the,
this.
Sir, sir.
No, don't do
proper-
this, please.
Sir, just
You
a
are
minute,
not
sir.
aware what is happening.
Yes, just a minute, sir.
No, don't make it political.
No, never.
You are not aware what is
Never,
happening.
sir.
I am aware.
Sir, I am
fully aware.
Sir, I am trying to express my feelings, sir. Sir, I am trying to express my feeling. Sir, please, just a minute, sir. Sir, ensure the rescue process. Please ensure proper rescue process and please assist us for the rescue.
Okay,
proper
sir.
rescue.
Point well taken. Leader of the House. Leader of the House. No, please. Enough.
Sir.
You associated. You said so. I can't open the debate like this. It's not a debate. Please. 1 second, sir. Half a minute.
Yeah.
Half a minute.
Yeah. Sir,
Half a minute.
yeah, sir, in Wayanad is very near to my home village, sir. Sir, there, very painful incident was happened. the intervention of the central government and proper assistance from the government is very necessary. So government should ensure the financial assistance and all possible assistance from here to the state. So this is my humble request, sir. We should stand with the families.
No, we can't go. Are we scoring points or are we expressing concern? No, are we expressing concern or scoring points? Don't do it, please. Yes, Leader of the House. And before that, let me tell you, honorable members, when I came, even before that I was aware of it. I updated myself and I found it very gratifying. Once again, I found it very gratifying that Honorable Chief Minister was very active, the Prime Minister was active, the agencies are in coordination, they are doing everything possibly can be done. No time has been lost in this. There is convergence and therefore Leader of the House.
सभापति जी, जैसा कि अभी यहाँ चर्चा शुरू हुई और सभी हमारे माननीय सदस्यों ने एक तरीके से अपनी चिंता व्यक्त की और उन्होंने जो वहाँ घटना घटी है और जो त्रासदी हुई है, जो एक बड़ी त्रासदी है, उसके प्रति उन्होंने कंसर्न शो किया है। मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि यह जो त्रासदी है, यह सिर्फ केरल की त्रासदी नहीं है, सारा देश इससे द्रवित है और यहाँ भी हाउस के सभी लोग, इस पक्ष के उस पक्ष के सभी पार्टियों के सभी द्रवित हैं और सभी दुखी हैं कि यह घटना घटी है, नेचुरल कैलामिटी है। भारत सरकार भी प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में प्रोएक्टिव होकर के जो भी केरल में राहत कार्य के लिए आवश्यक है वो कर रहे हैं और वो किया जाएगा। मैं सरकार की तरफ से ये एश्योरेंस देता हूं कि जो भी जरूरत होगी वो पूरी की जाएगी। हमारी उद्वेलना, हमारा उद्वेलित होना यह स्वाभाविक है, लेकिन यह इस तरह की घटना को एड्रेस करने का एक स्टैंडर्ड प्रोसीजर है। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने मुख्यमंत्री जी केरल से बात की, उनको आश्वासन भी दिया, जो वहाँ पर रिलीफ के लिए जो सेंट्रल जो हमारी एजेंसीज हैं उनके तरफ से जो सपोर्ट जाना चाहिए वो वहाँ पहुँच गई हैं, पहुँचाई जा रही हैं। स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के साथ कोऑर्डिनेशन में काम चल रहा है। अभी इस वक्त जो प्राइमरी ज़रूरत है वो इस बात की है कि बॉडीज़ को निकाला जाए, जो बचने की स्थिति में है उनको बचाया जाए, हेल्थ के दृष्टि से हम वहाँ पर काम करें, इमरजेंसी रिस्पांस सिस्टम को हम एक्टिवेट करें, वो सारी चीज़ें की जा रही हैं और आपकी भावनाओं के साथ हम सब जुड़े हैं, हम सब लोग उसके साथ हैं। और फिर से मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगा कि मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में चलने वाली सरकार प्रोएक्टिव है, प्रो रिस्पॉन्सिव है और उसको हम पूरा करेंगे। मैं ब्रिटास जी की भावनाओं का सम्मान करता हूं, लेकिन हम जिस जगह पर बैठे हैं और आप जिस जगह पर बैठे हैं, सिर्फ उद्वेलित होने से काम नहीं चलता। हमें we have to translate it to in action, and if there is any suggestion that we have to improve something in our action, please do that. We are together, we are not different. हम एक से जैसे हैं, तो इसलिए मैं सरकार की तरफ से हाउस को और हाउस के साथ साथ देश को आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं कि वहां कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ी जाएगी और उसको पूरा किया जाएगा।
जी किशन रेड्डी जी, एनीथिंग एडिशनल?